Hey guys, I'm here at Laser Shot's facility, checking out one of their many mobile ranges. It is a full-on live-fire 2-lane mobile system using Laser Shot's thermal shot technology. So let's go check it out. All right, hey guys, so we are inside the LSMR, which is the Laser Shot mobile range. Scott, would you tell us a little bit about this place?
Yeah, so this is our control room and the operator station. Right here, the instructor can control all the different drills and scenarios that the student will be participating in. On the inside, we've got the shooting bay with a 10-yard firing line. Let's go ahead and go inside and take a look. So on the inside, the floor, ceiling, and walls are all lined with ballistic rubber Durablock. Behind that is AR 500 steel rated up to 7.62. At the very front here, we have the projection screen. The screen itself is made out of a self-healing rubber ballistic screen.
Okay, so basically everything I did on the simulator side, all the drills, all the scenarios I can run here?
Yes, absolutely. So everything that Laser Shot offers, we can shoot live fire, lock and load, real bullets inside of this range here.
Yeah, that was really cool. All right, so let's do this. Let's check it out.